Hi, in this video I am going to show how to clean a stainless steel tea filter. This is a tea filter I am going to clean. You can see it is pretty much blocked at the center and also along the sides. I'm going to burn the tea leaves that are stuck in the filter. I increased the flame and kept it high and then started to burn the tea leaves. And the filter got red hot, as you can see in the video. You can just keep heating it for about a minute or so until the whole portion of the filter gets red hot and you can clearly see the tea leaves burning. You can see that most of the tea leaves have been burnt away. Now just tap the filter with any object like a spoon for a minute or so and then wash it. I actually wash it with soap first and then rinsed it. See, now the filter is pretty much clean at the center. A small amount of pieces struck on the sides. I didn't concentrate on the side actually, but if you show it in the flame, I think it would also go eventually. The only drawback with this method is that if it's a new tea filter, the silver portion will actually go and the filter will start looking like somewhat black in color. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.